How to qualify for up to $1 million in no-doc startup funding, no business credit required. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to qualify for up to $1 million in no-doc funding, even if you're new to business or have shaky personal credit. If you're ready to start a business or side hustle in 2026, this video will give you a clear path to securing funding. Let's dive in. Footnote: the economy is changing, and side hustles are becoming more important than ever for financial stability. Setting up your business the right way. First things first, setting up your business properly is crucial to getting funded. A common mistake is not paying attention to the basics. You need a business address to start the process of forming your corporation and getting your EIN through the IRS. Avoid using a P.O. box or your home address. Opt for a professional virtual office address, which can be easily found through an online search. Footnote: a professional business address is key to setting up a credible business entity. The importance of an anonymous state. If you're concerned about privacy, forming your corporation in an anonymous state like Wyoming, Delaware, New Mexico, or Nevada could be a good option. These states offer anonymity, keeping your ownership details private from the public. However, remember that the IRS and certain government entities will still have access to your information. Footnote: anonymous states protect your privacy but don't guarantee complete anonymity from government authorities. Setting up your EIN and BOI filing. Once you've chosen your formation service, you'll need to get your employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. Additionally, don't forget to file your beneficial ownership information, BOI, within 30 days, which is a new government requirement. It's best to have a corporation formation service handle this for you to avoid compliance issues. Footnote: filing BOI is a new requirement that businesses must complete after forming their corporation. Choosing the right business structure. Deciding between a C corporation and an S corporation is important. A C corporation will double tax you, but an S corporation allows you to avoid that. If you're forming an LLC, ensure you file the proper paperwork to classify it as an S corporation for tax advantages. You'll need to file IRS Form 2553 after getting your corporate documents and EIN. Footnote: choosing the right business structure helps minimize taxes and improve your financial outcomes. Setting up your professional phone number and email. To keep things professional, you need a dedicated business phone number and a professional email address that matches your business name. An 800 number is ideal as it gives your business an established, reputable feel. For your email, consider a generic address like info@yourbusiness.com, rather than a personal one. Footnote: professional communication channels are essential for a credible business image. Applying for startup loans. Once your business is set up, you can start applying for startup loans. The SBA offers microloans up to $50,000, but they require a decent FICO score. For those with shaky credit, other options like kiva.org can help, offering up to $15,000 with no FICO score requirement. Additionally, crowdfunding platforms like Indiegogo allow you to raise money by offering products or services in exchange for funding. Footnote: SBA microloans and kiva.org are great resources for securing startup funds. Crowdfunding as a business startup strategy. Crowdfunding is an excellent way to raise money for a business, especially if you're offering a product or service. Platforms like Indiegogo are better than Kickstarter because they allow you to keep the funds raised, even if you don't meet your goal. This can be a game changer for creative projects or new product ideas. Footnote: crowdfunding is a viable option for funding new businesses with product offerings. Business credit cards for your startup. Applying for a business credit card is a great way to build credit for your company. Major banks like Wells Fargo and Chase offer business credit cards, with some offering 0% APR for up to 21 months. Additionally, an American Express business card can provide you with access to higher lines of credit as your business grows. Footnote: business credit cards help build your company's financial foundation and provide access to working capital. Exclusive Money Guy for Business Funding. For those with a decent FICO score, 680 or above, I have an exclusive contact who can help you secure up to $1 million in no-doc funding for your startup. This individual works exclusively with my company and clients, and the process typically takes 2 days or less. Footnote: exclusive funding opportunities can accelerate your business growth without the traditional barriers. Avoiding personal loans for business. It's tempting to dip into personal funds to start your business, but I highly recommend avoiding personal loans for your startup. Focus on using business loans, credit cards, and crowdfunding instead to keep your personal and business finances separate. Footnote: keep personal and business finances separate to protect your personal assets and credit.